Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to show you something that I feel that might interest you to try it out yourself. This is in a situation where you're struggling to create a pattern for your shaker. Let's say you don't want to go that normal method every other producer uses. I have this trick that I learned that I feel you may like it. So I will just play this demonstration I have here and show you what is happening. Then after that, I'll start from the very top to set it up. So let's have a listen to this shaker. This is without the setup. And let me engage this setup so that you see what is added. So what you heard is generating different types of feel to the shaker instrument. So guys, with that being said, let me now show you step-by-step method on how it is done. First, you lay down your shaker. After laying down your shaker, you link it to a channel and then come on the channel rack, go to this section. Let me reset everything. So at default, this is what you have. So when you come here, just drag this one, turn every knob down, leaving this hold. Then after that, go to the mixer channel where you sent this shaker to. As you can see, is on channel 4. So you insert peak controller. All right, now we have peak controller. The next thing you would do is to right click on the attack and link it to the peak controller. As you can see here, peak control, the LFO peak control. So you click on it, accept. Then after that, reset this volume and set the volume of the LFO to a certain level when you start hearing what is adding to the shaker. So let's preview to see what is happening. As you can hear, there is some sort of movement. At some point, it becomes harsh, and at certain points, it's soft. So the next thing, once you set this volume, is to now use the speed knob to determine the pattern that best suits your drums or whatever you are programming. All right, so let's have a listen. All right, so at this point, I'm going to engage the drums that I've laid down to hear, in context with the shaker and see, how it's working. All right, let's listen. So from what you heard, it added an interesting groove to it. So let's listen to it without it. So you heard it. It's just a simple shaker dropping one, one, one at a time. So engaging this, it changes the groove. And remember, it all depends on the type of groove you feel it's okay with, the percussion or the drums you've created. So just to recap, create your shaker, send it to a mixer channel. On that mixer channel, insert peak controller, and in this case is in channel 4. And as you can see, peak controller. Then after that, open up the shaker channel, go to this section here, turn down every other thing, leaving your hold all the way up. Right click on attack, link it to pick controller, the LFO section, accept. Then with the volume knob and the speed knob, set it till you get a groove or pattern that works with your laydown. So guys, that will be it. And I'm trying not to make this video very lengthy. Make out time, do this experiment yourself and find out more and see what works best for you. Just want to share with you guys something that I believe that can save you time or add a different feel or groove to your production. And remember, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, do leave a like. And if you have something to share or a question to ask, feel free to leave it in the comment section and subscribe. Or do not forget to turn on your notification so that when I upload next video, you get notified. And that also helps the algorithm, to push the channel further to more people. So guys, like we always say, stay creative, stay focused, and until next time, bye for now.